What made you decide to open up a cafe?
Well, my son and I have done motorcycles for years, and there's just not that much money in just motorcycles, so we figured coffee, we both like coffee, and don't see too many cafes without cars in the parking lot, so that's a good way to help, for us to make some money while we're working on our motorcycles that we like to do.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Do you have any food items that are really popular?
Basically, right now we're looking for prepackaged sandwiches. It's hard to find that where we can do it that the health department will approve of. We just have donuts from Greenway Deli over on Dempster and Greenway, and then bagels from there also. It's basically our food that we have. We get a few pastries from different various places. But we're working on trying to get a breakfast sandwich and a lunch sandwich that we can have. But right now, it's hard to find that.
The non-food items that are for sale.
Yeah, we have shirts and sweatshirts with our logos on them and beanies. We have gloves that we bought that we have local artists tattoo and draw on. Then we have vintage t-shirts and leather jackets that we've gotten from various places. Ones that we've owned and either no longer want or no longer fit, of course. And old mechanic shirts with names on them and places that they came from. We just thought that would be something fun to have for people if they want to work on their bike and have somebody else's name on their shirt instead of theirs. And then it's just some of the motorcycles maybe for sale if somebody's interested. And we have helmets and boots, mugs, cup holders for the handlebars on motorcycles, just some odds and ends. We're working on getting some Harley Davidson logo merchandise in here. So just stuff like that, stuff that you can use for riding and